In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import budgets in QuickBooks Online. Before you start, the most important thing is to have your budget in the correct format. QuickBooks makes this straightforward by providing an official template. Using that template ensures your accounts and time periods line up perfectly, so you avoid errors during import. Begin by opening QuickBooks Online and heading to Financial Planning. From there, select Budgets. In the top right corner, click Import. QuickBooks will first ask you to choose a budget type and a time period. Pick the type that matches what you're planning and set the time period for the budget year you want. Make sure it aligns with your fiscal year so the months and totals make sense. Next, choose the budget format. Consolidated means one company-wide budget rolled up into a single set of numbers. Subdivided breaks the budget into segments such as different departments or locations, depending on how your QuickBooks is set up. Pick the option that reflects how you manage your reporting. When you're ready, click Next. You'll now see a link to download an Excel template. Click to download it, then open it on your computer. This file has the exact layout QuickBooks expects. Enter your budget numbers into the appropriate rows and monthly columns. Keep amounts as plain numbers without currency symbols. Don't insert or delete columns or headers, and make sure account names match your chart of accounts exactly. If you don't need an account, you can leave its row blank rather than removing it. When you're finished, save the file to a location you can easily find. Return to QuickBooks, and upload your saved budget file using the Upload option on the screen. QuickBooks will read the file based on the template structure. Click Next to proceed. If anything doesn't look right, it's usually due to changed headers, mismatched account names, or incorrect date periods in the file, so double-check those details in your saved template if needed. When everything looks good, click Save. That completes the import, and your budget is now in QuickBooks Online. You can open it from the Budgets area to review totals, make edits, or run reports. To recap, the keys to a smooth import are using the provided template, keeping the structure intact, entering clean numeric values, and matching accounts and time periods correctly. With that in place, importing budgets is fast, accurate, and ready for reporting. Thanks for watching, and enjoy working with your new budget in QuickBooks Online.